It's time to craft. Let's go. Well, hello, my joyful subbies. Welcome back to the channel. So today I have another Fab 5 collaboration, the DIY mixer. That's right. So I am the host of this collaboration with the ladies. And what we are to do is recreate a DIY of one of the sisterhood. Then we must create an inspirational decor. Now, it could be any interpretation of inspiration, but it must be an inspirational decor. And lastly, we are to create a Valentine's Day DIY to prepare you guys for the upcoming crafting season in February of 2025. So guys, let's get into this first DIY. So I've decided to recreate a project of Malinda with the crafty doll. So what Malinda does is make beautiful napkin rings using paper towel rolls and or toilet tissue rolls. So I've decided to take this paper towel roll to recreate these custom napkin rings. And I tell you, I had so much fun creating these. And I said, you know what? From now on out, I'm going the cheaper route. Thanks, Malinda. And speaking of Malinda, whose channel again will be changing the first of the year to the Crafty Doll, created these beautiful napkin rings. Not only does she create beautiful napkin rings, she also creates beautiful tabletop decor. She cooks and she styles her home very beautifully. You've got to check out Malinda if you have yet to do so. And as you can see, I am cutting my paper towel roll into rings. So I ended up creating, I think I cut about 6 or 8, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 rings itself. And I'm taking some of these jewels or the bling ribbon, and I am just going around each of my rings using some hot glue to secure them to the ring. And I did go back off camera and paint the inside of the ring so you will not see any signs of this being a paper towel. So guys, I want to welcome all of my new and returning subscribers back to my channel. I pray that you all are having a blessed holiday, and I want to wish you a Merry Christmas. So now we're moving on to DIY number 2. I am creating a Valentine's Day decor. This is a love sign using one of those boards from the Dollar Tree. And then I have the wood word cut out, I should say, of the word love. And then I have 2, or we'll be using 2 of the heart shapes that comes in like a 5 or 6 pack from the Dollar Tree. And now I'm just cleaning up those lines using that crimson red paint. And now I am wasting my time. I did say that because I wanted to clean up the white paint, making sure that the red that had bled over wasn't coming through. But then I decided to end up distressing this piece using the red crimson color paint. And so that's why I said I wasted my time, but that's neither here nor there. And now you see me taking the love sign and I am painting, well, love word, and I am painting it using that Waverly brand chalk paint in the color white. So guys, if you are new to my channel and have yet to subscribe, please make sure you click on that subscribe button. Don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you when I upload anything to the channel. And also, please make sure that you are visiting my community tab regularly, because that is where I will post any updates to what is going on in Joy's life, or if there's going to be any delays in videos being uploaded, or just information about business, or just to tell you hello and to have a great day. So just make sure you are interacting with me on there, and I would greatly appreciate it. And so now you see me taking these actually it is yarn that you can purchase at Dollar Tree, and I am just making these cute little yarn bows and just gluing them down on top of the hearts. And if you are a regular on my channel, you know that I'm going to create a bow. I just think it's really cute, and I do like putting them on some of my projects. And speaking of this sweet lady Kay, At Home with Kay, if you have yet to subscribe to her channel, please make sure you go ahead and do so. Kay creates beautiful Mackenzie child decor. She creates realistic sweet treats, shabby chic decor, and this Christmas village she made this year is absolutely gorgeous. She made this out of a trash to treasure. So check out Kay at Home with Kay. And so for DIY number 3, this is my inspirational piece. I just decided to take that wood cutout of a fish, and then I am using one of those wood cutouts of a heart, and I am creating a bow, a jute twine bow, and we'll just glue that bow in the center of the heart after I burned the phrase off of it, and I think this turned out cute. And then we're going to head on to this sweetie right here. That is Donna, the Creole crafter. We call her the rustic farmhouse queen. And as you can see by some of her beautiful decor, why she has earned that title. Please make sure you check out Donna at the Creole crafter. And guys, we're headed into the reveal. As you can see, here is a display of the napkin ring that I created. I hope I did Malinda justice in recreating this. And then this is just my Valentine's Day decor. I've styled it with some pillows here and some decor from Christmas. I think this turned out really cute, and a great inexpensive way to create Valentine's Day decor. And then here is my inspirational decor piece. I was thinking of the sign of the fish, so that is the reason why I chose to create this inspirational piece using the heart. And here is all of the pieces styled together. And guys, our sister Philicia with BOK Media Life had other obligations and was not participating in this collaboration, but nevertheless we always want to show her some love. So if you have yet to visit the Lamp Queen's channel, Philicia over at BOK Media Life, please make sure you go and show her some love and tell her her crafting bestie Joy said what's up. And until the next DIY, guys, be blessed and have a Merry Christmas.